We're talking about this car wash thingy here today. It's called the Car Wash Foam Sprayer. Brand sent me this as a sample and I'm about to try it out for the first time. So I'll walk you through it. This is like a normal hose nozzle here, but then it's got a quick disconnect to the dispenser thingy. So that's handy. Just boom, just a collar, clips right on. And it's got a setting here. If you just want to spray no foam, it's 0. And if you're spraying no foam, you're probably rinsing. So then you've got the rinse attachment thingy here on. So if you just want to spray water, put it on 0 and do that. But then when you want to spray foam, you put on the foaming attachment. So we'll get to that in a second. Just slides right on. And even came with a car wash brush. So I got my car, I got the hose hooked up. So let's try it out. So with any luck, this thing will just spray water out because it's on setting 0. All right, spraying water out. Yeah. All right. And now, okay, so it goes from 0 to 5 for foaminess. So I'm going straight to 5 because why not? Max foaminess. Sounds the rinsing thingy and go to foaming. Okay, let's see if this sprays. See what number 5 foam looks like. Oh yeah, that is foamy.
Can I do that one?
That's awesome.
Can I do it?
All right, I'm gonna wash this and then we'll do another section. All right, now we're at the front of the car. I'm on 0. I took off the regular nozzle just because it's one more step. But all right, let's get it wet. The spraying nozzle just kind of diffuses it a little bit. All right, here's the foaming nozzle. So this just pops right on. You can hear it click. Let's try setting 3 here. See how it does. All right, Cody, go to town. Yeah, that's some solid foam. That's way better than just dumping your rag in a bucket. That looks great. All right, I'm already sold on this thing. This thing is great. It's gonna cut your washing time in half, and you can just fill this thing up with soap and keep your car wash soap in there. Yeah. I love this thing. I'm gonna keep using it. I'm gonna wash the rest of my car now. I might wash my car every day since my kids are out here. It's beautiful. So go get yourself one of these. If you wash your car in your driveway, this will greatly improve the experience. Go get you one.